Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. And this is probably the fanciest, no juice for you, fanciest we've been. Just saying.
Yeah. I know. Usually just eat it with your fingers.
Go ahead, I'll let you. So today this was a reverse-seared tri-tip with first cooked at 225 on the Z-Grill's pellet smoker, and then let it rest for a little bit. Oh, dang flies. And then put it up to 500 on the big green egg, and seared it on both sides, rotating, flipping, all the works. And of course we also have some garlic bread, fresh from the store. Thank you, Walmart. The rub today was salt, pepper, and garlic. I feel like garlic goes really well with tri-tip. What do you think? So the pellets were cherry wood pellets. Any flavor sticking out? Maybe try to get the crust, to get the salt, pepper, and garlic.
Yeah, I taste that.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it is, the flies love it.
Yeah. Summer.
Yep.
We're trying to see how the setup works out here. If you haven't noticed, we've moved. I'm trying to see what the best spot is for outros, intros, and the like. I haven't figured it out yet. It's out back. We're out front right now. Out back, the sun usually just beats down, and then I'm starting sweating, and no one wants that.
It's hot out there.
Hot out there too. And out here, it's great that we're in the shade, but we're not on the main street. We're on the street, so cars flying by. Kids having fun. Gosh. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Solar children that light. I don't know. We'll see. Very good. Pretty simple cook. I waited until the temperature was 115 on the tri-tip internal before I pulled it, let it rest, and then seared it. So probably like 120-ish. So I was going for the medium rare, which I believe you did see when I was slicing it out back. Anything else to say? I want to say thanks so much for watching, everybody. Please have a great rest of your day, and as always,
keep barbecuing, America.
Cheers. Okay, go ahead. We'll wait.
Is the garage open?
No. Sorry. Don't tell her this. She's a great kid. Actually, I tell her that all the time. So much so now she's probably rolling her eyes when she's watching this video back. What beverage do we pick out tonight? Classic Coca-Cola. Let's try that again. Thanks so much for watching, and as always,
keep barbecuing, America.
Cheers. It's good. Thanks, kiddo. Let's go eat. We have some corn on the cob inside that was not featured in the video, but we'll go and get to that now. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Now the house smells like popcorn.
I don't know.